Welcome to VN Production. If you're looking for a reliable dot matrix printer for your office or business, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Epson LQ-310 dot matrix printer. The packaging is neat and everything is well organized, ensuring the printer arrives in perfect condition. A powerful, high-speed printing solution designed for continuous forms, invoices, and multi-part printing. Let's dive right in. As always, Amazon has packed this product securely. The box is sturdy, with the Epson branding and product specifications printed clearly on the sides. Look and design. The Epson LQ-310 has a compact and durable design, perfect for offices with limited space. It's grey in color, giving it a professional look that blends well with most office setups. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy plastic body designed to withstand continuous usage. Inside the box, we have the Epson LQ-310 dot matrix printer itself, wrapped securely, a power cable, a USB cable for PC connectivity, an installation CD with drivers and software, a user manual with setup instructions, a starter ribbon cartridge to get started right away. Performance and printing quality. Performance-wise, the Epson LQ-310 delivers fast and consistent printing. The dot matrix technology ensures reliable output even on multi-part forms. The text is clear, and while the printer does produce some noise like all dot matrix printers, it's not excessively loud. Perfect for offices that need frequent document printing without sacrificing quality. The control panel is placed conveniently at the front, featuring well-labeled buttons for easy operation. The paper feeder is located at the top, and the rear part houses a USB port for connectivity. There's no built-in network port, but it works seamlessly with most Windows-based systems via USB. 24-pin dot matrix printer produces sharper and more detailed text compared to older models. Printing speed up to 416 characters per second, CPS at 12 CPI, making it one of the fastest in its category. Print head life rated at 400 million strokes per wire, ensuring long-term durability. High ribbon yield. Can print up to 2.5 million characters per ribbon, reducing operational costs. Multi-part printing supports one original plus 3 copies, making it ideal for invoices and receipts. Connectivity comes with USB 2.0 interface compatible with modern computers. Energy efficient, consumes only $27 power when operating, making it cost effective. Finally, so is the Epson LQ-310 worth it? Absolutely. If your business relies on continuous form printing, invoices, or multi-copy printing, this is one of the best dot matrix printers in the market. It's fast, reliable, and cost-effective in the long run. If you're interested in purchasing this printer, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.